Okay, so now we've got to combine a couple things that we've done. We've got to find the sum of the first 44 terms of the following series to the nearest integer. And we have to use the explicit formula to figure out what the 44th term is. And then once we have that, then we can plug it into this hip new arithmetic series formula that we just derived. So the first 44 terms, let's find term number 44. The explicit formula, the n value is the number of terms, which they tell us is 44. The a sub 1 value is going to be 5. And the common difference, let's see, 5, that's 7, that's 7. Okay, so the common difference is 7. All right, so now we're ready to plug all of these players right into the formula here. So we get that 44 there as well. The a sub 1 is 5. Oops, it's supposed to be yellow. There we go. And then the common difference is 7. All right, so let's plug all these in, get that 44th term. So a sub 44 is 5 plus 44 minus 1 times 7. Okay, so 5 plus 43 times 7. I know that 43 is 43 times 7 is 301. So 5 plus 301 is going to be 306. Okay, so our 44th term is going to be 306. So now this is also going to be known as the a sub n. So now we can go to the other formula here, which is the formula for the sum of an arithmetic series. We've got an n value, again, of 44, an a sub 1 value of 5, and an a sub n value of 306. Now we're ready to plug all this in. We've got, I'll put it right here, 44 divided by 2 times the sum, the partial sum, which we get by doing 5 plus 306. 44 divided by 2 is 22, and 5 plus 306 is going to be 311. And let's get a calculator for this one. We've got 22 times 311. It's going to be 6,862. Obviously, that would have been kind of a long process if we had done that out. So it's much easier to do it with the formula. Okay, here's another one. They want us to find the first 36 terms of the following series. So we want a sub 36, the 36th value. The a sub 1 is 9 plus 36, the n value, minus 1, times the common difference. Common difference is going to be 3. Okay. 9 plus 35 times 3. 35 times 3 is 30 times 3 is 90. 3 times 5 is 15. So that's going to be 105. And that means that a sub 36 is going to be 9 plus 105, which is 114. Okay. Now we plug that into the series, the formula for our arithmetic series. We've got the total number of terms, which is 36. Going to divide that by 2 times, and then now we're going to get the partial sum by doing a sub 1, which I already wrote the formula up there. So a sub 1 is going to be 9, and our 36th value is going to be 114. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. And 9 plus 114, that's going to be 123. And let's multiply these. 18 times 123. We're going to get 2,214. So 2,214 is going to be the sum of the first 36 terms. Okay, please try this one on your own. When you're done, unpause, and I'll have my solution. All right, we'll go halfway here. The 50th term is 405. Now we're going to plug that into the sum of arithmetic series formula. So the sum of the first 50 terms in this series is going to be 10,450.